Okay boys, I'll be back. Alright guys, hey, welcome to the channel. It's Roman here. So, I'll show you my little project truck that actually I've had since last year. It's kind of overdue to show you guys. I actually made a couple of videos of it. Actually I fixed a bunch of dents in it and repainted the roof and the quarter panel. But I never made a video out of it. Here it is, a 3/4 ton square body. As you can see, roof is newly painted, and this quarter panel was actually all the way bent underneath, so I kind of banged it out, bonded it, painted it, call it good. So what we're doing right now, we're actually gonna put those on there, but I gotta go to tire shop to get some new tires, because those tires are pretty shot. So hopefully he has some good for me. Yeah, but it's overall in great condition. Just can't figure out the fuel tanks yet. I keep putting more gas in and it doesn't seem to be changing the level. Well, it's, even though the needle seems to be working, unless it's a huge tanks, but there's two of them. Power everything on the truck, even cruise control, fully loaded, pretty nice. It was actually a one owner truck when I bought it. Music down. Open the window. But yeah, pretty good oil pressure, as you can see. There's a little exhaust leak that I need to address, because when I was dismogging the headers, which is in one of the videos, I took one of the manifolds off, and what pretty much ended up happening, one of the bolts broke on the manifold, and that little donut thing is not working well. But yeah, let's take it to tire shop and see what we can get with those tires. Alright guys, so far cruising. Like my big ass mirror. Oh yeah, truck holding up really well, 70 miles an hour, low temp, good oil pressure, good voltage, very healthy truck from the looks of it. And I like all of the options, and pretty much everything works. I mean, AC doesn't work. I did take out the belt because it was out of freon anyway, but I'm gonna convert it most likely from R12 anyway, because I'm kind of planning to keep this as my around the town yard debris track. Here's the finished product with the new tires and wheels. Well, they're not new. I bought them for 200 bucks, I think. No, 150, I think. Yeah, 150 bucks with lug nuts. Those take special lug nuts, kind of pain in the ass to put on. Still need to be polished up, but not too bad. The old ones. See, they look good, they look new, but they're very cracked everywhere. I don't know what year they are. I'm sure I can find that out, but they're old. I mean, you can tell it's made in America still. They're 4-ply tires, steel cord. If I had to guess, they're probably from 90s, because last time this truck was run was in the 90s. But about the truck, so as I told you guys, this thing got fixed. The roof was spilling, so I repainted. Still need to do door strikers and a few other little things here and there. Yeah, this is our little guy here. Came with a bunch of keys. I think like 4 sets or something like that. That's what you get when you buy it from old people. Spark plugs. So here is what this bad boy is over here. So if you guys see, so you got sliding rear window, you got wipers, AC, headliner, 40 rear axle, 5.7 V8, 3-speed automatic is a turbo 400 that's in it, dual tanks, comfort tilt steering, slide out back wheel, heavy duty battery, cargo area lamp, radio, transmission, actually I don't know what that means. I think it's transmission cooler or something like that. Silverado package, Super Saver package, tires, Deluxe 210 paint, basic camper. It actually has a gooseneck provisions on it too. So overall, really nice truck. And like I said, everything pretty much works on it so far. Alright guys, well if you liked the video, hit thumbs up, subscribe if you like. Have a good day.